What I'm gonna do, I've literally got this turned so that transom is angled so that if I put some of that Flex Seal down in here, I hope it runs in up under this board here. I don't want to redo all that. I could at some point, but I don't want to do that now. What I can do is take a bunch of that Flex Seal, literally just pour it right in here, let that sit a while and soak down into that, and then lay it down, turn it back around, lay it down some more, and do this part as it goes out that way. But I think there's a good chance I might be able to get that leak fixed if I do something like that. Let's try it. And when I said I was going to pour this over in there, I wasn't joking. I'm literally going to pour it right down in that crack. I'm pouring it on y'all. I don't know. Whoa, mighty thick and dookie. Yeah, baby. Mighty thick and goopy. I'll get a brush and smear it around there a little bit. One of the things I found out about this stuff, once you open it, it hardens up kind of quick. I mean, it'll all turn into something you can't really use in a little bit, so it doesn't hurt to just use it up. If you're going to use it, use it. Rather than use a paintbrush. I'm just going to smear it around with a screwdriver. Use a paintbrush. I've either got to clean it or it's ruined. I use a screwdriver, I can wipe it off. I'll put a little bit of this right around the base of that. I'm just going to spread this here. Forward, around, and up. I want it to run. I guess I could have looked at what this stuff is, like what the base of it is, and added. I could have thinned it maybe, but what the heck, we're going to let that go like that. We're going to leave it alone, just like that. And then what I'll do is, I might come back later and put the rest of the can in here and run it along these cracks down the middle of the boat. I poured about a half a can in there, so some would say that's wasteful. I wouldn't argue with them either, because sometimes I am wasteful. And look at me. See, this is what I do. I go to paint something, I get it all over myself. Almost always and without fail. Look at that. Dang, I say. Dang. Richard, you just can't do nothing without making a mess. That's what my mother used to say. Dang. I went ahead and started the air conditioner in here. That way I can work on my old trolling motor without sweating so much. That's always a goal of mine, is to be able to do work without sweating. Open the door.